Because of failure, many of us are afraid to move forward. If I don't take on a challenge, it's because I know that I'm not ready. For the most part, I'm not afraid to fail, but I'm human, so I can be a bit hesitant. I know one thing about failure is that you can always learn from it. Wisdom comes from failure. This truck is a perfect example, and the next time I'm faced with a detail like this one, I'll make the experience better. First thing that came to mind was a carpet extractor and hot water heater. That will be my next purchase. But let's change the subject for a minute. This vehicle sat at a farm for years. There is dirt, rodent droppings, and other trash. Usually, I would deny this job, but it's December, and I'm not as busy. Plus, I'm up for the challenge, and if I want to be a better detailer, I have to take this opportunity. No matter the outcome, this will give me the experience to be a better detailer. See, no one does great the first time at anything. It's a long process of repetition and developing a skill. It just gets easier over time. To become a better detailer, you have to flood yourself with vehicles, detail in different climates. And when jobs become too easy, take on jobs that are difficult and get that notch on your belt. This will make you versatile and will give you the ability to adapt in most situations. Then you can upgrade your equipment to make the difficult jobs comfortable, or as comfortable as it can be. Some of us would run from this job. Others may make a whole lot of excuses on why they wouldn't do it. If we had a choice, we all would rather complete an easier detail. Trust me, I completely understand. But if you want to stand out from the rest, you have to do what others wouldn't do. This year, I had the opportunity to strengthen my skills in headlight restoration, and I got a chance to touch an RV. My next challenge will be planes, boats, or whatever opportunity presents itself. And to be honest, I'll do one for free just for the experience. It ain't nothing. I love this life. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.